Bill Gates' investment journey began with a revolutionary vision: software as the future. In the 1980s, Microsoft's DOS and Windows operating systems dominated 90% of PCs, generating $1.25 billion in revenue by 1990. Gates reinvested profits into R&D, ensuring long-term dominance. His early mantra, "a computer on every desk," drove Microsoft's valuation to $27 billion by 1991. This tech-centric foundation later fueled his diversified portfolio. Key stat: Gates owned 45% of Microsoft at its IPO, a stake worth $350 million in 1986. By the 1990s, Gates diversified through Cascade Investment, his private wealth fund. He reduced Microsoft shares from 45% to 1.3% by 2021, reallocating $20 billion into stocks, example, Canadian National Railway, real estate, and private equity. Cascade's assets now exceed $70 billion, with 60% in non-tech sectors. Gates' strategy: avoid overexposure to tech volatility. Notable move: a $1.8 billion stake in Republic Services Waste Management in 2023, showcasing his contrarian bets on essential industries. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, launched in 2000, merges altruism with strategic investing. With a $65 billion endowment, it allocates 5% annually, $3.25 billion, to global health and education while investing the rest. The foundation's $250 million COVID-19 vaccine funding yielded 20 times social ROI. Gates proved philanthropy can drive systemic change and returns. Case study: a $50 million investment in Gavi. The Vaccine Alliance immunized 760 million children and leveraged $18 billion in donor funds. Gates's 2015 Breakthrough Energy Ventures $2 billion fund targets climate tech moonshots. His $1 billion investment in TerraPower nuclear reactors aims for zero-carbon energy by 2030. Other bets: AI-driven crop yields, plus 30% efficiency in pilot farms, and synthetic biology startups like Ginkgo Bioworks. Gates argues the next Microsofts will solve climate change. Data point: his $500 million climate fund has seeded 50-plus companies, with 3 expected IPOs by 2025. Today, Gates' $130 billion net worth is a web of interdependent ventures: 20% in Microsoft, 35% in Cascade's diversified assets, 25% in foundation-linked investments, and 20% in moonshot technologies. His book, How to Avoid a Climate Disaster, 2021, outlines this philosophy: leverage capital for scalable solutions. Example: his $2 billion clean energy commitment spurred $15 billion in follow-on funding. Gates' ultimate metric: every dollar must catalyze systemic change while preserving capital.